I don't know anything about trekking. I don't know anything about the climate here, so well, I feel like I should trust the guide and everything, but still it feels really uncomfortable to go there now.
At like 3-level friend who knew them, and then I think I want to push for the same scheduled itinerary to go to the Annapurna. One is for Annapurna Base Camp and the other one is for Annapurna Circuit. I think it's safe to continue with the trek, because it was just at the moment that the incident happened and affected the most trekkers. But presently, I think anyone can continue with the trek and that will be fine.